this one. Okay, so factorization is taking it common, and it is present in page number 244. Factorization algebra का portion, right? Okay, so let me start. So let me scroll down this one. So the question is factorize 2x plus 6. Okay, so take a copy with you. Okay, so factorize in question number 1. It was, what is the question? 2x plus 6, 1a. So 2x plus 6. Okay, so how will you solve this one? Let us do it. So this a number, let me write down this one at the bottom one, bottom. So 2a ko question number a ma. So 1 ko a ko question number. It is given 2x plus 6. So how will you do it? So we need to take it common. Okay, so give equal to sign. So what is common in between 2 and 6? So do like this. We can do like this. First of all, okay. So 2 and 6. What is common between 2 and 6? So how to find out? So 2 means 2 into 1. Okay. And 6 means 2 into 3. So 2 3 is 6. And 3 1 is 3. Okay. So please do this in the rough side so that it will be easy for you. So 2 means what? 2 means 2 into 1. Let us not write in 1 over here. Otherwise we can write on 1 also. 2 into 1. And 6 means what? 6 means 2 into 3. 2 into 3 into 1. Okay, so 2 into 3 into 1. 6 means 2 into 3 into 1. And 2 means 2 into 1. So what is common in between these two numbers? 1, 7, 8. So 2 and 2, they are common. Alright. So and 1 and 1 also they are common. So 2 ones are 2. Okay. So 2 and 2 they are common. So write on this one time only. 1 and 1 they are common. So write on one time. So 1 later multiply. Sometimes there is no common. If there is no common, we say that 1 is common in between that two numbers. So that's why you 1 pani kaile kahi chahiन्छ तर most of the cases this 1 is not needed. Okay, so 2 and 2 they are common. Common means write just one time only. एक पल्ट मात्रै लेख्ने हो. 2 and 2 means 2 is only common over here. So 3 is not common, 1 is common. That means 2 ones are 2. Okay, so 2 is common. So what shall we write over here then? So what is common over here? So 2 is common. So 2 is common. So put the bracket. Okay. So if 2 is common, then what is left over here? So 2 ra x ma 2 lekhe bhane what is remaining? X is remaining plus. So out of 6, if 2 is written, so 2 kati is 6. 2 kati is 6. 2 kati ubre ta? So 3 is remaining, isn't it? Either write down 3 directly. Otherwise, what we can do? So 2 what times? Okay, so with what we multiply the 2? So with 2, so that you will get 6. 2 like kati multiply garera 6 आउँछ. So you'll multiply with 3 to get 6. So 2 3 is 6. Okay, so 2 bracket, otherwise we can say times also, times. Okay, bracket is also denoted by times. So 2 bracket x plus 3. So if you multiply this one, we need to get the same number back again. I mean, the answer also so 2 into x, 2x. Check also, hey? We need to check also. 2 into x, 2x plus. So 2 3 is 6. So did we get the same number or not? We got the same number, isn't it? 2 into x, 2x. So plus 2 into 3, 2 3 is 6. Okay, so in this way we need to take common. Very simple, isn't it? Okay, so let me do the next number. See the next number in your book. So in your book, let me do question number D number. So it is written 16x square, 16x square plus 8x, 8x equals to. Okay, so 16 and 8. First of all, see the numbers first. 18, sorry, 16 and 8. What is common between these two numbers? Is there anything common in between these two numbers? 16 and 8. So let us try once. 16. Let us do the factor of 16. So 2, 8 is 16. 2, 4 is 8. 2, 2 is 4. Okay. So we can do it 1 also, otherwise we can leave 1. So 2 1 is 2. In the similar way, let us do of 8 also. The next number is 8 over here. So let us do of 8. So this x square and x, let us ignore this one for a while. So 2. Let us do it 2. So 2 4 is 8. We can do it in the rough copy. Please show it in the rough copy also, so that it will be easy for you. So 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4. So 2 1 is 2. So 16. Otherwise, we can do here also directly. Why to write down this and that? Okay, so what is common in between this number? So 2 and 2, they are common. That means let us circle this one. 2 is common. Again, 2 is common. So this is this. So 2 is common. So let us circle this one also. So here also what is common? So 2 and 2 again they are common. So let us circle this one also. So 1 is there. So 1 no need to circle. So 1 limb, 1 like, okay. So multiply the 1 and 2. So let us leave 1. Okay. So what are the common number? 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Other, if you have not understood, then let us write down in this way only. So 2 into 2 into 2. So 4 times 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. And 8 means it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Okay, got it. So like we take HCF got it here. So 2 is common, write down 2 one time only. So 2 and 2 they are common. So let us write down 2 one time only. Again 2 and 2 they are common. So let us write down 2 one time only. Now what is common? So 2 and 1 I know. So 1 and 1 they are common. Into 1. So common means we are taking the HCF. So 2 into 2 into 2, that means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 1 is 8. That means it is the common is going to be 8 over here. Okay, so 8 is common number over here. So if you want to do it in the shortcut, that means let us do like this. Shortcut ma garne hane यसरी गर्ने. 16 र 8, which one is smaller? 8 is smaller. 8 को table 16 आउँछ? आउँछ. 8 to the 16. That means what is common? 8 is common. In that way also we can do it. Okay, so 8 and 16. What is smaller? So 8 is smaller. So 8 को table 16 आउँछ कि आउँदैन? 8 to the 16. That means 8 is common. If the table, so to I1 table I1, it is the smallest. So 2 and 6, what is the smallest? So 2 is smallest. Okay, so 2 ka table 6 then also. That means let us write down 2 over here. I guess so simple. We can write down simply like that also. Now, after that, bracket. So 8 ka 16 हो. 8 to the 16. 8 to the 16. So अब एउटा कुरा मैले के छुट्याए भन्दा x square र x, there is also some common number over here, x square and x. Okay, so let me write down like this only. So x square भनेको x into x, isn't it? X square means x into x, x into x. Please turn on your video, all of you. X square means x into x. Oh, so here is x. So let us write down x. So what is common in between this number? X into x at the x. X square means x square means it is x into x, and here is x. X means x only. So what is the common number? X to x is a common number. X is a common number. So what we can write down over here? It's a common के पनि रहेछ भन्दाखेरि so common x पनि रहेछ है. So 16 र 8 मा चाहिँ common. 8 was the common number, and x square र x मा चाहिँ के common छ? X is the common number. X square र x मा. Okay, so यसरी जानु सट्टा we can do in the next way also. है हामी अर्को तरिकाले जाने. X square र x मा कुन सानो छ? Which one is the smallest? X square is the smallest or x is the smallest? X square is the smallest or x is the smallest? So x is the smallest. So जुन सानो छ नि हो त्यही लेख्ने. Okay, let me give one example to you all. So x power 4 sorry एउटा अनि x power 5 sorry. So what is the common number भने सोधे भने, so what we can write down? So we can write down the smallest. Which one is the smallest among this x power 4 and x power 5? X power 4 is the smallest. So this x power 4 is the common. तर हामी प्रुफ गरे हेरौँ त हो कि हैन. X power 4 means how many times x power 4 we need to write down? X into x into x. That means 4 times we need to write down x into so x into x into x into x. Okay, so 4 times we need to write down. X power 5 means 5 times we need to write down x. X into x into x into x into x. That is 5 times we need to write down. So what is common in between these two numbers? X power 4, x power 5 मा कुन सानो छ त भन्दाखेरि, so what is common? So x is common, x is common, x is common, and x is common. That means what are the common numbers over here? So यता common के रहेछ त? X power 4. कति पल्ट रिपिट भयो? 4 पल्ट रिपिट भयो. That's why x power 4 is the common number over here. So अघि भर्खर लजिक दिएको जस्तै कुन सानो छ हो त्यो लेख्ने common मा. So x power 4 र x power 5 मा कुन सानो? Power 4 is the smallest. So write down x power 4 as the smallest. So x square र x मा कुन सानो? X is the सानो. That means let us write down x in the smallest number. X as the smallest number. Okay, we can go in that way also. Okay. Then after that, so out of 16 and 8, 8 was the smallest. X square x ma x was the smallest. अब के हो ब्रदर? So 2 कति छ 16? 2 sorry 8 कति छ 16? 8 2 is 16. Now x square र x मा अब के हो ब्रदर? Okay, x square भनेको दुईटा x. Take out your 2 fingers and say x square means दुईटा x. Okay, so दुईटा x हो. Out of दुईटा x, how many x we have already written? एउटा x लेख्यौ. Okay, एउटा x common भनेर लेख्यो. Okay, we have written one x as the common number. That means एउटा x लाई हटाइदियौ. Okay, how many x are remaining now? Only one x is remaining. That means. So if you multiply, will we get x square or not? X into x, x square. Okay, so subtract गर्ने. So 2 छ यता एउटा 1 लियो हामीले. X square भन्दा दुईटा x हो. एउटा x लिम भने कतिवटा x हो? एउटा x हो. Okay, so त्यसरी गर्ने. Plus, so 8 कति चाहिँ 8 हो? 8 1 चाहिँ 8 हो. Okay, 8 कति चाहिँ 8 हो? Okay, so taking bracket means taking common. Common लिनु भनेको divide गर्ने हो. So 8 कति चाहिँ 8 हो? 8 1 चाहिँ 8 हो. अनि x कति चाहिँ x? That means out of x, okay, एउटा x मा एउटा x common लिम भने कति बाँकी रह्यो? Nothing. Okay, so केही नलेखौं. So this is going to be our answer. So 16 and 8. What is smallest? 8 is smallest. 8 को table मा 16 आउँछ कि आउँदैन? आउँछ. That means 8 is the common number. So x square and x, which one is the smallest? So x is the smallest, so write down x as the common number. So अब त्यसपछि bracket मा के गर्ने त भन्दाखेरि 8 कति छ 16? 8 2 is 16. Okay, 8 2 is 16. And त्यसपछि x square मा x common लियो भने x is the remaining number. Plus, so 8 common छँदैछ. Okay, so no need to write anything. Otherwise 8 cos the 8, 8 1 the 8. X cos the x 1 the x. Okay, so that's why 1 we need to write down. Okay, so in that way we need to write down this as the answer. Okay, so please try this number. So f number 8m minus 8. F number 8m minus 8. So your answer is going to be 8 bracket m minus 1 is the answer.
Yes, sir.
So those who are connected right now, so you can see this question in page number 244. 244. And do it in your fair copy. Please on your video, all of you. Turn on your video. Okay, 8 and 8. What is the smallest? Which one is the smallest number? 8 is the smallest. Okay, both are 8. So let us write on 8 as the common number. Bracket. Okay, so m is there. There is no m. That means there is no anything common left over here. So m the m is in. That means nothing is common. Just 8 is common over here. Okay, so out of 8, what we need? What is left over here? M is left. So m will be there. Minus. Out of 8, 8 is already written. That means 8. What is the 8? Divide गर्ने. 8 divided by 8. 8 divided by 8. How much? What is remaining? 0 is remaining or 1 is remaining?
1.
Out of 8, 8 is written. That means 8 divided by 8. I told you just before also, taking common means it is divide. 8 divided by 8 is 1. Okay, कसैले 0 लेख्छ. So that thing हामीले recover गर्नु पर्यो. So यता हैन है फेरि. So 16 छ यता 8 छ. Taking common means we are dividing it. So 16 divided by 8 is 2. That's why we are writing 2 over here. So out of 6 divided by 2 is 3. Hey, so यसरी गरेको हो. Okay, once try number K. K number. So it is 15x square . 15x square minus 5x. Okay. Please keep on doing it. Image, please turn on the video. Sushika, please. Your real name is Sushika or the cartoon character? Suyan and Sunima. Please turn on the videos, all of you. Nikesh Rai, Biraj Shrestha, Karim, Angdembe. Please turn on the video, all of you. Biraj, Sushtika, Aisha Shrestha. Turn on the video. Okay, so please tell me what is the answer of this number K? How much you got it?
5x.
If you can do without doing the rough, that is more good. That will be better. Because when we start doing other questions, हामीले त्यो rough गर्न पाइँदैन. भसके त्यो rough बिना नै, so try to solve the answers. Nikesh, Biraj, please turn on the video, all of you. Karim Filal. Okay, 15 and 5. Which one is the smallest? 15 and 5.
5.
5 is the smallest. So let us write down 5. So एक वाला फिर try गर्ने. 5 ले 15 लाई डिवाइड हुन्छ कि हुँदैन so 5 3 are 15 that means 5 is the smallest x square and x which one is the smallest x square or x
X.
x is the smallest so x is the common so put the bracket okay now 5 कति जा 15
5 3 जा
5 3 जा 15 out of x square भनेपछि औंलामा दुईटा औंला निकाल्ने x square means दुईटा x out of दुईटा x one x is removed so how many x is remaining now one x is remaining so minus sign is there so let us write the minus sign so okay then after that 5 is already written 5 what is a 5 are 5 divided by 5 is 1 okay x divided by x that is also 1 because both x will be cancelled okay so 1 will be the answer result okay so nothing is left so put enclose the bracket and this is going to be a final answer okay j number please let us put j number also j number 6m cube n square computer is getting hang now 6m cube n square okay so what is common in between these two numbers which one is the smallest
6.
6 is the smallest okay so out of m cube and m square what is the smallest
M square.
m square the smallest and n square and n which one is the smallest
N.
n is the smallest isn't it that means 6 is the smallest over here m is m cube and m square that means n is sorry m square is the smallest m square is the smallest and out of n square and n so n is the smallest so put the bracket now so what is the remaining number so 6 divided by 6 is how much so look at here so look at the screen 6 divided by 6 it is going to be 1 so m cube there is m square that means take out your 3 fingers okay so m cube means 3 or m हुन्छ and the m square means there are 2 m's okay so you duita m like subtract गरिदिने so 3 minus 2 it is going to be 1 that means your m हो okay so it is going to be 1m so m cube minus m square that means so m cube भनेको 3 टा m divided by 2 टा m how many m's are remaining only 1 m is remaining so here also in the similar way n square means 2 टा n there are 2 n altogether 2 n's are there and there is 1 n over here okay out of 2 n that means 2 टा n मा एउटा n घटाइदियो भने कतिवटा n बाँकी रह्यो so एउटा n बाँकी रह्यो
1.
minus okay so 12 divided by 6 12 divided by 6 is how much
2.
2 so out of m square is deducted that means m square divided by m square it is going to be 1 no need write down so दुईटा m मा दुईटा m ए घटाइदियो भने कति हो ब्रो nothing okay let us not write down anything so out of n that means एउटा n मा एउटा n ए घटाइदियो अरे so if we divide n divided by n I told you just before also so the bracket means divide n divided by n is how much nothing means 1 so 1 no need to write down so let us put the bracket and close it with the bracket so yo खासमा यो if something is there 1 लेखिराख्नु पनि पर्दैन है if you want to write down 1 it's okay. If you don't want to write on 1, it's okay. No problem. Because 1 into m, it is going to be m only. Any problem in this number?
No, sir.
Okay. So in out of question number 1, if when you see your book once, all okay. So is there any problem that you may face in question number 1? See a book, because we need to do all the numbers now in the fair copy, eh? Because whenever the school will resume, you can directly show this work to your teachers. Okay, this, so there will be the revision again, no doubt, but also you can directly show this numericals to your teacher. Read in the fair copy now. Okay, is there any problem? Question number 1. Any problem? Is there any? No. So let's start number 2 then. Okay, so these are your questions. If you don't have book, these are your questions. So if there is any problem in any number, please ask me. So not only the tick questions, you need to do all. So 2x plus 6 is there. So is there any problem? You can ask me. Anything to ask? Number L चाहिँ गरे भए हुन्थ्यो हैन? Okay, so in question number L, so 7 and 21, what is the smallest?
7.
7 is the smallest. X and x square, which one is the smallest?
X.
X is the smallest. So out of y and y, which one is the smallest?
Y.
Both are 7. Both are same. That means let us write on y only. Y is the smallest. Right? So there is z, there is no z. Is there anything common? उसको पनि नाक छ मेरो पनि नाक छ, then that is common. Okay, if उसको नाक छैन मेरो नाक छ भने that is common. Is that common? That is not common. If there is z and if there is no z, then that is not considered as common. So common के भयो? 7 is common, x is common, and y is common. Z is not common. Okay, and bracket मा के लेख्ने? Bracket मा 7 लेखिहाल्छ, z लेख्ने, plus 7 कति छ 21, 7 3 छ 21. So x square मा x common लिइसक्यो, that means x उब्रियो, y र y पनि common थियो. Okay, so z थिएन, so z त लेख्नु पर्दैन. Okay, so that will be the common number. Okay, let us go to question number 2 ल. यो number g मा, so you can do like this. So if minus sign is in front, so take this 2 in front. यसो गर्ने. Number g. Number g के गर्ने भन्दाखेरि arrow दिएर. Okay, so minus sign is in front. Let us take this minus at the back, 2 in the front. So let us do like this. 2 ला अगाडि लेख्ने. Okay, sorry. So 2 ला अगाडि लेख्ने, minus नै पछाडि ढकाल्दिने. So minus 6x. Minus 6x. So what is common in between these two numbers? No, the process is same. So 2 is common. Okay, so 2 and 6 2 common. Now 2, what's that 2? 2 1 is 2. Minus 2 is 6, 2 3 is 6. Now x is also remaining, so write on x. If there is any problem, you can ask me. If minus is in front, let us take it back side. No problem. Okay, so let us go to question number 2a. Please copy the question. Now you can do it easily. Okay, we just have 4 minutes left now. So 2a, b, sorry, ax, bx, and cx. Look at the question properly. ax, bx, and cx. अघिसम्म यहाँ दुईटा नम्बर थियो, दुईजना मात्रै साथी थियो. अब 3 जना साथी छ. यो 3 जना साथीमा कमन के छ? There is something common, that's why they are best friend. They are together. What is the common number? That we need to find out. Okay, so let us find out the common number over here. Okay, so let me write down this one. Number 2 to A. Okay, so there is AX plus BX plus CX is there. Tell me what is common in this all these three numbers? तीन टाइम में क्या common है? A is not common. X is common in all these three numbers. Can you see X as common in all three numbers? Okay, X is common. X is common. That means what is remaining then? X we have written. X written. X written. That means what is left over here? Like you, bro. A, bro. So what is remaining over here? If X is written, then what is common? What is remaining number? B is remaining number.
A, B, C.
And what is the remaining number over here? C. Okay. La, सक्यो एन्सर सक्यो. सुरु गर्नु पाछ नि एन्सरै सक्यो. Okay, so in this way we can solve our answer. Okay, so let us see question number H. Okay, so in question number H, what is written over here? So 15a square, 15a square b plus 9ab. Oh no, it's not plus, it is minus 24ab square. AB square. Okay. Now the question has become a little bit tougher now. अघिको सजिला थियो त दुईटा थियो अब त तीनजना छ अब. Okay, so which one is the smallest over here?
9.
9 is the smallest, but 9 is not the common over here. कसरी त हेर्ने त अब? What I told you, does 9 divide all these numbers or not? Once try it. 9 ले divide गर्छ यसलाई? 9 कति छ? 15. 9 2 जाए त 18 पो हुन्छ त. 9 कति छ? 24. 9 3 जाए त 27 हुन्छ. That means there is no any common over here. So smallest number लाई के गर्ने त भन्दाखेरि so हामी अघिको तरिकाले जाने कि. Okay, so 15 means कति छ 15 हो? 3 5 is 15. So let us write on 3 into 5 in your rough side. Please do this rough side also at the side of the copy. So 9. Let us find out the LCM of this 9 also. 3 into 3. Okay, so 3 into 3. And 24. 24. So 2, 1, 2. 2, 6. 2, 3. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 24.